So this is the first time I've really done chores by myself. Even though I've come down here and done some stuff by myself, but doing it start to finish since my knee replacement. So first thing let's do, let's see if we got any baby. That's always my first check. Okay, no baby. So old Chip here, he hits this light switch right here and turns the lights on. I don't know why he does that, but I'm gonna get the goats fed and we'll go on to the next one. I know. He likes to complain, but let's get the goats fed and we'll move on to the chickens after that. So I switched feed on them and that cheaper feed has got, I don't know if it's some kind of molasses or something, but Chip don't like it all that much. He'll pick through get the brown or the light color stuff out and it'll leave the dark color stuff. I don't know why. Then eventually he eats it all at once. So I don't know. He's a weird little dude. Everybody's water's good, so let me get him some hay. Alright, so let's swing right around here and we'll get some chicken feed loaded up. In water. And I get some water for the sheep. I got them on some pretty good grass, and I'll show you that when we get down there. So. I tell you, it's cold out here today. This is probably maybe the coldest it's been. I'll have to check. I think I looked about an hour ago and it was like 34, so at least the wind ain't blowing. Glad the water ain't froze up either. That's always a headache, I tell you. So I don't know if you've seen it. I don't know if I turned it over far enough, but I'm out of that's my last of my chicken feed. So much to make a run in the morning. And it's gonna be cold in the morning too, so. All right, let's go feed some chickens. Screwed that one. The only bad thing about the so far is the side by side. I can't really run real fast because when I hit them bumps, my knee's kind of like this, and it makes it, a sudden jar, and it kind of hurts a little bit. So not that big a deal. I just can't. I always like to, before, go wide open as fast as I can. Let's check for eggs. Got 5 eggs and seen one on the ground, so I got 6 eggs today, so not too bad. I think they're finally starting to lay, so hopefully they'll start laying pretty good here in a short time. So all right, let's go feed some more chickens. So I think this is my oldest flock here, and I think they're coming out of mold. I don't see a lot of feathers laying around. So, and they're starting to look a lot healthier too. So, you know, they're getting their new feathers. So I hope they start laying pretty soon too. I don't know why they won't. I'm gonna check their bedding and stuff like that in another day or two. So I moved all these. By the way, I moved all these yesterday. So I'm just moving now every other day or every third day or so. So let's go hit the other one, and got one more chicken to feed, and then we'll go move the sheep. Hey, if you like what you see here, hit that subscribe button right down here. I appreciate it a lot. Hit that, give me the thumbs up. Got a lot of videos. I got like 400 something videos on my main page. You go through it and you can look it back. I got with videos about anything. But anyway, I appreciate everybody watching, and if you don't care, hit that subscribe button. I need all the help I can get. Little red right there. See, big red will be here in a second. There we go. Look at there. Down. No eggs from them yet. Just gonna double check. Yeah. Then on this side, yeah. So same situation on this one. It's still sucking that water down. I mean, it was empty. And it's cold. It's been cold. Usually, like I said, you know, they don't drink a lot of water. Even in the summer, they don't drink it down like they have been. So, but they're looking better too. I still see a few feathers. I think there's one still going. I think it's actually little red's still going through a little bit of a molt. But she looks a lot better. They're all looking a lot better. So I would expect any time now they'll start laying. So, all right, next stop is the sheep. Got to move them. They're having a fit, so I got to get over there and get them going. I actually had them up in the side yard there, and but I'm gonna get them back down in the pasture right now. So. That's a little bit bare here, but I'll move them in the morning, first thing in the morning. So I gotta get them some water. I'm gonna film old Louie, the little puppy coming out here. He has a fit over his sheep. It's funny, so I might get that as a little short or something in the next day or two. But he's too cold. He don't like it. He don't like to get out much in the cold. But next time it's just a little bit warm, I won't get him out here with these. It's funny watching him. So let me get them some water. Okay, you hear that? That's right, you don't hear nothing. Everybody's happy. Everybody's eating, no complaining, no nothing. So that's it. I'm all done. Appreciate it. Appreciate everybody watching.